Welcome to the Furman University Library's Interlibrary Loan tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to search for and request books and articles through Interlibrary Loan. Usually, we can get the books and articles we need for research in our Furman collection or through Pascal Delivers. When we are unable to access the items we need through one of these options, we turn to Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary Loan is the worldwide system by which libraries make requests to borrow material from other libraries. It is voluntary, so placing a request does not guarantee that a library will loan us the item. It is also not possible to request items from specific libraries. Let's begin by looking at Iliad, the system we use for placing ILL or Interlibrary Loan requests. To access Iliad, visit the library's website, library.furman.edu, click on the Services button in the top menu, click on Interlibrary Loan, click on Interlibrary Loan Iliad Login. If you already have an Iliad account, you can go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, click the link to create an account located above the username field. Once you are logged into Iliad, you will see several options for placing a new request: article, book, book chapter, dissertation/thesis, and other, which could be used for various forms of media, including films. When you click on one of these options, such as the book request, you will see a form to fill out with information about the book you are requesting, such as title, author, ISBN, etc. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk. This is great, but you can save some time using two shortcuts that I will show you now. For requesting books via ILL, you can use Worldcat, which is a tool for searching library holdings across the world. To access Worldcat, we will return to the library homepage and then click Services, ILL, and Worldcat Discovery. Now let's conduct a search for Annihilation by Jeff Vandermeer. Once we find our item, we should click the title to open it. To request this through Interlibrary Loan, we click on the Request Item through Interlibrary Loan button. If you're not logged in, you will be prompted to sign in. Make sure the auto-filled form is correct and then click Submit Request. Now let's look at finding and requesting articles. If you don't know how to check if the full text of an article is available, then we suggest you watch our Finding the Full Text video. We're including a link to that in the video description. If you find an article in one of our databases, but we do not have full text access to it, you can make the ILL request easier by initiating it directly from the database itself. You should also know how to enter the request manually because not all databases include this option, but the shortcut is helpful when it is available. I already have a search ready for us. Once you've found the article you want and the full text is not available, click the purple full text button. On the results page, this button will appear below the article. On the item record page, this button will appear out to the left of the record. Next, choose Request a Copy. Make sure the auto-filled form items look correct and add any necessary notes. Finally, click the Submit Request button. Placing an ILL request is the first step, but where do we receive the items we've requested? If a library agrees to lend us the item, you will receive an email informing you that it is available. It will look similar to this. If the item you requested is an article, it will be available for download in the Electronically Received Articles section of Iliad. You simply need to click View to read and download the file. If it is a book, then you will need to pick it up from the circulation desk in the James B. Duke Library. Sometimes, books received through interlibrary loan will be eligible for renewal. The lending library, not Furman, decides this. To view your borrowed books and attempt to renew items, click on the View/Renew Checked Out Items link in Iliad. Now that you've finished this video, you should be able to request books, articles, and other items through interlibrary loan using the Iliad system. If you're unsure about any part of the interlibrary loan process, please take time to rewatch this video or come and ask one of us at the Research Assistance desk.